Your math equation of the day is iPad plus Safari minus distractions equals focus. I'm Megan Hoffman, a technology integration specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative. Get focused and get rid of distractions while checking out websites on Safari. With iOS 18, the Safari app on iPads and iPhones can hide website distractions. While this is temporary, it does improve the viewing experience on websites that have several advertisements. It also decreases the chance of accidentally clicking on advertisements that disrupt your focus. Open Safari and go to your favorite website. Click the menu button in the search bar and select Hide Distracting Items. Then select the item you want to hide and click the blue Hide button. You can continue selecting several items. Then click Done in the search bar to continue viewing the website. You will know that you have hidden items or sections of the website by the blue eyeball that is crossed out in the search bar. This is not a pop-up blocker. Previously hidden items or sections may reappear when the page is refreshed, or other ads may take their place. You can hide more items by clicking the menu in the search bar again and going through the process of hiding distractions as many times as you want. For more ideas, inspiration, and explanations, check out the SWWC Technology Integration Team channel on YouTube. And remember to click the subscribe button. Thank you for spending a couple of minutes with me today. Stay focused, friends.